Welcome back. For this video, I'll be showing you how to unarchive emails on Gmail. So begin by opening Gmail. Then from here, you want to go to the search mail feature, and then you want to type in a specific tagline. So you want to type in archive, exactly like that. Then once you've typed in, you want to press on enter, and you'll be brought to your archive. So from here, you want to select the email or emails that you want to unarchive. If you have a lot of emails and you don't want to go selecting individually, you can always click on this select option here to select all the emails. Then from here, to unarchive these specific mails, all you need to do is simply select this move to option and then type inbox, then select it from the options. So once you've done that, you'll notice now when you go to your inbox, the emails have been unarchived. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.